With this tutorial, we're now going to look at how we can fill in gaps with the dietary support recommendation from dotFIT based upon how you entered in your program. So all we're going to do is look at our fourth button here on the summary overview, your dietary support. Go ahead, Frankie, if you will. And what you're going to see here are a couple things. If you scroll down just a little bit, Frankie, please, what you're going to see is a bundle which is based on your goal. So we want to make things super simple. This is because I had chose weight loss for my goal. We're going to see 3 key items that's going to assist me with weight loss. So filling in, first of all, nutritional gaps with my multivitamin, just to make sure that everything is working like it should. But although remember, I'm taking in less food because I want to lose weight, and we all know about the quality of food for the masses out there not being as good as it once was. So this way I get everything firing like it should, so my body can recover for the next workout. We have our lean MR, which is really simply food in a canister, under 200 calories, tastes great, but it's also nice and high in fiber to help us over from meal to meal without getting too hungry. And then our weight loss and liver support, which is just a fantastic product to help with the function of the liver, which remember the liver is your major fat emulsifying organ, creates bile, helps with breakdown of fat, never mind all the other things it does with regulating nutrition throughout the body, but it also has a great natural non-stimulant appetite suppressant in it as well. So this is the bundle. Now, Frankie, if we scroll down a little bit further, we can actually open up our advanced recommendation by clicking on the tile up here. Go ahead. And what you're going to see here, if we scroll back down, is we're going to see a very detailed breakdown if we want to go even further. So we're going to see things that cover our essentials. If I keep scrolling down, or if you keep scrolling down, please. We already talked about our meal replacement. Come on down. I can open up maximize results, as well as, if you keep coming down, supporting optimal health. So if you are working with a fitness professional, they are going to be very good at being able to recommend exactly what you need as well. Or if you're just following along using the program itself, we have these recommendations for you. If you're working out in a dotFIT licensed facility, there's a great chance that they're going to have these products on hand for you. Or you can also order them online, and you have a whole plethora of different examples of being able to qualify for free shipping. So that way it's shipped to your house every single month. You don't even have to think about it. But remember, the goal is getting in less calories, because my goal was losing weight, but I want to maintain my nutrition level nice and high. So this way I can hold on to lean body mass while losing body fat and giving the body everything it needs to properly recuperate and recover.